Hello, namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel. And from the decoration, you guys must have already known that this video is going to be about Valentine's Day. Yes, this video is going to be about Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is a day where lovers express their affections through greeting cards and through gifts. This day is all about celebration of love and affection. Love is never saying to say sorry. Love is like a friendship caught on a fire. Valentine's Day is all about mystical, amazing, intoxicating thing we call love. So the way we show our love is by buying beautiful things, sweet things, something really nice and wonderful. Even we buy chocolates, we buy flowers, we buy nice gifts for our lovers or for our partner. So red is the color of the love, even the pink is the color of the love, but we give red roses, a red balloon with a heart, or like red teddy bear with a heart to our loved ones, which defines love. And then we say, I love you. The question arises is that do we need a specific day to dedicate our love? Apparently, yes, we do, and that day comes once a year in the month of February, which is 14th of February. We all celebrate our Valentine's Day. So on this day, we give a gift with red color to our love. Pink is also known as a color of love, so either you can go with red color or pink color of your choice. I generally like pink instead of red. Always be expressive in love. And how we are going to do that? By giving hugs, kisses. Love is a friendship set on a fire and you are a spark. So on this day, I am pretty sure that you guys must have already planned. If you haven't planned, then definitely you plan something for this particular day. And now I am going to give few tips to the people who are in the marriage since so many years. Yes. So what you guys are waiting for, try to make this day special for the person you love and express your love and let them know that how much you love them. And how one can do that? Of course, buying beautiful things. First thing is the roses, right? Then second is the chocolates. If the person whom you love, they like chocolates, particular kind, of course you can get chocolates. Buy some nice beautiful gifts and express your love through writing. Yes, of course, nowadays you get greeting cards, but try to write something sweet and short in which you put down your feelings. And it does not have to be long way, just even it's a small sentence that I really love you. That you are my life. Some things, they are sweet and simple, and it has to come from your heart. And believe me, whatever you're going to write it, and if you write it from your heart, definitely it's going to reach out to the person to whom you have written for. So now I'm going to talk a little bit for the married couple. Yes, for the married couple and who are being married since so many years. Yes, they are into marriage since so many years. Now they need to start bring up the romance back in their life, and how they are going to do it, right? Romance is not just one thing like making a love. Of course, that's the most important thing, but over a period of time, even that start fading up. Even the love start fading up in the relationship, and it's nothing like it's not because they do not love each other. It's because they have so many responsibilities and they play different role. Like for a woman, they play a role as a mother, as a sister-in-law, as a daughter-in-law, as a wife, right? As same as a husband, like they play the role as a husband, as a father, as a brother-in-law, and we play all this role really well, and we take all the responsibility so well. But down the road we forget that when we came together, we were as a lover, right? We fall into love with each other, and that's start fading away as the year passed by, and especially after you have kids and you have younger kids. So so how one can bring the romance back into their life, so how one can spark up their love life. And it is easy, it is not that hard. Just the thing is that one has to take initiative and one has to start. And I would advise all the ladies that you take the in charge, because if you wait for your man, it's never going to happen. Anywhere, wherever you go in the world, it's the one and the same everywhere, because men do not know how to express their love. So when it comes like expressing the love, expressing the feeling, men cannot do it. So I will encourage all the ladies, so to bring the love back into your life, of course, one has to start working on it. You have to practice and has to be consistent. So, like how we can do it, right? So the first thing is giving a nice tight hug. Yes, not just hugging, like not just giving a simple hug, but a nice tight hug for a few seconds or few minutes. You have to feel each other, you have to feel the love, you have to feel the energy. So that, like the first thing is to give nice tight hug to each other. Then of course it is for a man if they can give a kiss to their wife on their forehead. And then you look into each other's eyes. Yes, you look into each other's eyes and you say, I love you. Because I know there are so many people who must be saying, like on daily basis, okay, I love you, I love you, I love you. But, the connection, the expression has to be there. You have to look into each other's eyes and then say, I love you. And once you start doing this, you will see how effective it is. You will start falling into love with each other. I can see all the women sitting there, the ladies sitting there, they are smiling and blushing and they are saying, oh my, what she's saying. Of course, down the road, like we are so much hooked up in our responsibility in our life that we forgot that when we came together, we were into love. We were like a lover, like that's how we got connected. Then you have to start spending some time together. Yes, every single day you have to spend few minutes with each other. It can be like sitting next to each other, watching some shows, or maybe, like watching something on the phone. But sitting next to each other, cuddling with each other, and like spend that time. Because spending time is very, very important. I know people who are living in a joint family, for them it must be difficult, but then of course you can, when you go in a bedroom, that time, like you can spend time together. Also, you can make nice atmosphere where person will love to fall into love with you. Like you can play nice music, you can light up nice scented candles, you can play nice romantic song. Yes. And then like you can dance together. Of course, like you do not have to be professional dancer. You just have to dance with each other, and believe me, once you start doing all this, you will start falling into love with each other, and believe me, your romance will start coming back into your life. Your love will start, the love which has been fed in so many years will start awakening into your life. Once romance come back into your life, the atmosphere of your house, the energy of your house definitely going to get better and better. Even your mood is going to be changing, your kids' mood is going to change, and you will see the difference yourself. Also, you can like dedicate nice song to your partner. Nowadays, there's so many nice romantic songs. You do not have to be a singer. You can dedicate nice romantic song to your partner. At least once a week, I would say, take out some time with each other, spend some time with each other. When you spend time together, try to remember all nice memories when you guys met for the first time. Try to remember those memories, and once you start remembering this thing, definitely you will start again falling into love with each other, and the romance in your life is going to come back. Nowadays, everybody is so hooked up in their work, and also most of the time we spend on social media. Yes, most of the time we spend on social media. I have seen a couple going to the restaurant. They are sitting together, but they are not with each other, meaning they are on their phones, right? I'm not saying that no, do not go on social media. Of course, you can go on social media and you can have your own time, but try to take out time for each other. And I know that people who are living in a joint family, for them it's hard, but sometimes, like if you have in-laws, you can ask your in-laws to watch your kids, and definitely you guys can go out for lunch or dinner. You guys can go out for movies. So try to spend more time with each other. I know once you have kids, like we try to spend our time with the kids, and there's nothing wrong in it, but try to take up some time for yourself as a couple. Try to do things together. Try to go out on a date with each other. I know it sounds like, oh my god, what she's talking, but yes, this is the time where we have to spend more time together to awaken that love, to bring that love back in our life. And so to bring the love, the romance back into your life, why not to start from this Valentine Day? At least try, because once you will try, then you will get the result. But if you won't try, you won't see the difference in your life. Start with a small step. Maybe you can get a nice gift. Maybe you can write something nice for your partner. If you know dancing and if you dance well, maybe you can make a short video with a nice beautiful song for your partner. Of course, you can decorate your house. Of course, you can decorate your room nicely with so many beautiful things. Nowadays everything is available so easily, so of course try to take out some time, try to be more expressive, and believe me, once you will try, so at least try, because there's nothing wrong in trying, right? And do it from your heart. And one thing I would like to say, that when person wants something from their heart and with a pure intention, even God and angels also come and help you. Of course, you can call angels of love, and definitely they will come and help you, and you will also come up with some nice ideas. Does not matter, it's you, your partner. Someone has to start, right, somewhere, to bring that love back into your life. So I will encourage to all those people who have not expressed their love to the person whom they are loving or whom they love the most, and they are scared. What you are scared of, that the person will say no, so what? At least try to express your feelings, try to express your love to that person on this day. If you won't tell that person, how that person will know that you love that person? So on this Valentine Day, guys, so please take out time for the person you love the most and make their day a very special on this Valentine Day. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I hope you like this video. I want to say thanks to all my subscribers for subscribing my channel. Thank you guys. I wanted to say thanks to all the people who are inspiring me to make these videos, and also I want to say thanks to all the people who are helping me to make this video. Thank you guys. For all my services, you guys can reach out through my email ID, and people who are connected with me on social media, you guys can contact me through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram or Skype, and definitely I would love to help you guys and work with you guys. Wish you all of you a happy Valentine's Day and wish you all the very best, and I hope you guys will have a wonderful Valentine Day. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel, take care, live with thoughts of love, light and angel blessing. Namaste.